बट प्लीज प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। प्लीज मैं आज्ञा करता हूँ, सारा बात करूँगा और सारा बात मानूंगा। Hello friends and welcome to my channel. And today in this video and it is unboxing. Today is the day of Navratri. My three cool and very little small phone erasers, and it's really cool. You can play like a mobile and call someone like a toy. And it's full of apps but not similar to real phones. And it's really small. So I have one pink, white and black. The sixth one is my Metro. Yeah, maybe it's a small and toy but are real and long. And you can pull back and it will go automatic. Like this. And it's super full of stickers of peoples. And it is my school book. And this book is also my school book. So this is my school book and it's very heavy. See, this book had introduced in my short video. Yeah, you see. And it is a genuine knowledge genius. You will become a genius boy ever. And full of these characters. Yeah. So this is very powerful book that can give you more instructions on early like a ChatGPT. Yeah. Now the seventh one is my fruit eraser. Yeah, it's plenty like a toys or a play. Someone made it, but I don't know. It's not even real. It's eraser, and there are five actually fruits like the eighth one is my funny animals. So this is very awesome. It's very funny, yeah. The zebra is falling because the legs are like this, like a train, but super lion, yeah. And this really funny face. And look, it's all the funny faces. Yeah. And they're more like a cheetah. And it's yellow color but less spots. And it's really funny face actually. Now the elephant, this way cute elephant. But the elephant cap is made. Because of mine. Yeah. So in today's video is very awesome and semi funny. And I have introduced some silly but not as serious. Maybe some are silly too. Please like my channel. You can subscribe but don't comment me because I'm a kid.